Firebox door handles that are loose or broken can seriously mess with your cozy fire vibes and even cause safety risks if you're not careful. So, first off, check if the handle just needs a quick tightening. Sometimes the screws or bolts holding it in place get loose from all the heat and use. Grab a screwdriver or wrench, tighten those bad boys up, and see if that fixes things. If the handle still feels wobbly or won't stay put, it might be time to swap it out entirely. You can usually find replacement handles at hardware stores or online by searching for your stove or fireplace model's specific parts. When replacing, make sure the new handle is heat resistant and fits snugly on the door. Don't forget to clean around the mounting area before installing the new handle to avoid any grime messing with the fit. If you're unsure about what type of handle to get, take a picture of the old one and show it to the store clerk or send it to an online supplier for help. Lastly, after fixing or replacing the handle, test it a few times while the firebox is cool to make sure it opens and closes smoothly without any hassle. One of the biggest mistakes people make with firebox door handles is ignoring loose screws, which can lead to the handle falling off while the fire is burning. Super unsafe. Fix this by regularly checking and tightening screws every few months. Another common issue is buying the wrong replacement handle that doesn't match the door's design or heat tolerance. Always double-check compatibility before buying. The third mistake is not cleaning the mounting area before reinstalling, which can cause the new handle to sit unevenly and loosen quickly. A quick wipe with a cloth and maybe some mild cleaner can help secure the new handle better. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors easy for homeowners who need help with firebox repairs or any home improvement projects. It also helps contractors connect with real customers looking for their expertise, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.